Hey, my name's Alex and I'm from TruckSpy. We've made some improvements to the ELD app recently and I have it running in my truck. I have the ELD in my truck and I have it running on my tablet. First thing that you'll notice is this sound right here. Okay, that means that your ELD is disconnected. So if you ever hear this, understand probably might be a good idea to safely pull over and try to figure out what's wrong and get connected. And also I will link, and you'll probably have the user manual for this ELD. So always please refer to that guide as well. Now your tablet more than likely will automatically connect. If you ever see this, you can always click manual connection and then select your device and you can connect to it right here. Now I'd like to quickly go over just the user interface, and so right on the top you can see it says off duty. Right now you can just click on that and then you can switch yourself to on duty, and then of course you can back out of that, click inspection, and then you can perform your pre-trip or post-trip inspection while you're on duty. One of the key differences between TruckSpy and many of the other ELD providers is we actually allow for all of the FMCSA approved exceptions. So under hours of service, you want to click on options and you can see right there exceptions. You click there and we cover all exceptions from 2-hour driving exception of adverse driving conditions to agriculture operations to anything like ready mix too. Like all of these have their own exceptions and we cover all of those. Obviously I'm not going to do that right now, but that is an option for you if you're currently operating this vehicle and you have one of those applicable exceptions. The other thing of course is if you get pulled over for a roadside inspection or a way station inspection, you want to click on hours of service, you want to click roadside inspection, and right here you can just send it to them, or you can just click start review and hand them the tablet, the officer, correct? So that's right there available for you also. I'd like to go over log edits. So under hours of service, under logs, you can click on the day that you're trying to edit and you can see here's my chart, and you can click the little edit pencil right there, and as long as you add an annotation and a reason, then you would just hit save. And the reason for that is the logbook defaults to going on duty after in a driving event, and if you forgot to mark it, log edits do occur, and so that's why you'd want to be able to do that. I tried to highlight just some quick tips in this video, but of course if you run into any issues, talk to your fleet manager or refer back to the TruckSpy driver app user manual. But the key differences, or the key improvements that we made, I should say, is the connection to the actual hardware device plugged into your truck is going to be a lot better. We've made the app actually a lot faster too, and on top of that is the log edits are going to be there's improvements in the log edits as well. So we hope you enjoy these changes. Thank you.